Hello guys, Rob here. The Telos birthday week is now behind us, and we saw many announcements from applications to strategic partnerships to new tools over the last week. In this video, we're going to quickly touch on all of these announcements we saw from Telos birthday week. The first announcement we saw was the new Telos logo. This is it here. To be honest, I didn't like it at first, but it has really grown on me every single day more and more. It's a very simple logo, and I think that's something that is great to project for adoption. A projection of simplicity, being simple and easy to use. The previous logo here, the acorn, if you just saw the acorn and you didn't know about Telos, you'd have no idea what it was. But with the new logo saying Telos, you know that this means Telos. So I'm interested to hear what you guys think on the new logo. I didn't like it at first, but I'm really starting to love it. Every single day it grows on me more and more. So now let's get on to the list of all the announcements we saw just over the last week. I'm just going to quickly touch on all of these. I'll leave a link to this page in the description below where you can go and read up or interact, use any of these new products for yourself. There was a bunch of applications announced, first being Purana, a decentralized Q&A platform. Your contributions rewarded. Decentralized questions and answers website that rewards users with crypto tokens for their contributions. Welcome Purana to Telos. I haven't played around with this as of yet, but I will definitely be jumping on and playing around with this once I get some free time. You can find them at purana.io, or again, link in the description to this page. Second announcement from an application we have, Vault. This is from Quibicles. It is decentralized storage for call centers. Next, Telos Family, an application that will allow families in Venezuela to earn crypto. Telos Place was launched from EOS. Draw and collaborate on the blockchain. Here it is, just getting started. Some people have drawn a couple things here, but another one I haven't played around with yet. Once I get some time, I will play around with this. It's at place.kalios.io. ShareBits. There is now Telos support on ShareBits, a coin-agnostic crypto gifting platform. Automated biz growth and social rewards, cross-chain crypto platform, near-instant, non-custodial, multi-token gifting. So you can now gift TLOS tokens along with all the other tokens they support on ShareBits. If you want to check this out, this is at sharebits.io. And that's it from the application standpoint as far as announcements over the last week during the Telos birthday week. Next, we have some strategic partnerships. Level 39 is the world's most connected tech community, consisting of 1,250 leaders in cybersecurity, fintech, and retail. So Telos is now part of Level 39, raising billion-dollar opportunities, and they have a bunch of members in here. And I'm excited to see what opportunities Telos gains from this. Next up, another partnership, Blockchain in Transport Alliance, driving standards and enabling technology adoption. This is another big one. The Blockchain in Transport Alliance has nearly 500 members in over 25 countries that collectively generate over $1 trillion in revenue annually. So it's great to see Telos get involved with BITA. I know there's already one tracking project on Telos. I believe it's CIDR or something along those lines, CIDR tracking. But this is another great partnership for Telos to have, and it'll be exciting to see what opportunities Telos gets out of that as well. Next, we have some tools announcements here. DStore. There was a 2-hour live stream with the guys from GoodBlock on DStore. This is decentralized storage that works. This is like IPFS on a whole nother level. Way faster, way more reliable. One thing about DStore is it will only accept TLOS tokens as a form of payment. So it's going to be a great product of what Telos has to offer. We have the Telos blockchain that offers the computing power, but This will add that layer of storage to truly decentralize the entire application. And I can't wait to see this. If you got time, watch this live stream. It was really exciting stuff from the GoodBlock team on DStore. And I'll be doing more videos on DStore once it comes out going. This is going to be a huge offering for Telos. Next up for the developers, Telos Studio. Deploy smart contracts from your browser. So there is now Telos Studio making it easy to deploy smart contracts. Not going to get too much into that, but if you are a developer, check out Telos Studio. Then we have Telos.net, a soon-to-be front end for collaboration among the Telos community. What if the economy of the future could be built today? Imagine a world where people across the globe can unite around shared purpose and forge their visions into reality. So I'm sure we'll hear more on this soon, including the dashboard. Not sure of the exact timetable, but I believe this should be coming out soon. And finally, one I covered previously on the channel, Sentiment Tokens, is now officially live on Telos mainnet. Any app developer can call the contract to display like, dislike, trust, and distrust tokens. So this is live. I haven't seen any sort of integration for like a dashboard or something for the sentiment tokens, but you can come onto the sentiment contract, something like blocks, and send dislike, distrust, like, and trust tokens as well. A couple people have already done this. Sent a trust token here, sent a dislike. Someone's disliking Rich Coin. I like that. Might send Big Squirrel a like for that. And then a like here as well. So 3 of the 4 actions so far, trust, dislike, and like, have been used. You can get taken right to the contract page on blocks through this link here. So there it is, guys. There's the announcements we saw over the last week for the Telos birthday week. Lots of great announcements, things to be excited about. Again, like I said, I'll leave a link to this page in the description. So if you want to get on and play with any of these apps, or read up more on these strategic partnerships, or take a look at some of these tools, there is links to all of them on this Telos Foundation Medium post. And one more thing here, we are past block 64 million, which was the first block when the Telos Genesis accounts that did not perform an action could lose access to their tokens. The block producers have not pushed through that action yet. Last I heard, the action was still being tested on testnet, and I also read somewhere that they were going to give a 3-day warning period. So once that code is pushed to mainnet, they were going to give 3 days notice before they actually executed the transaction. As far as I know, that has not happened yet. So if you have an EOS Genesis account and you have not claimed your Telos yet and you want to, get on. I'll leave a link in the description below to this page. Right here you can learn how to claim your Telos, but it's as simple as sending an action with your Telos account. And if you did not have a Genesis EOS account, that's okay. You can still get yourself a free Telos account by visiting this link here. That'll show you how to get a free Telos account on desktop, mobile, and through using the Telegram bot. And once you get some TLOS tokens, you can learn how to stake your TLOS into Rex using Squirrel Wallet as well as Scatter Wallet here and here to take advantage of those hefty Rex returns. I believe it's somewhere around 19% right now for Rex returns. So again, link in the description to this page. This message on Telos is brought to you with the support of the Telos community via the worker proposal system. That's going to do it for me for this one, guys. I'll see you in the next one.